How is your training really different from other mental health training that might be out there?
The focus of our attention is somewhat different, perhaps opposite. So we've both explored and looked at the definitions of anxiety and depression and acknowledging that as part of the journey sometimes. But I guess where we've really focused our attention is on the question, what's the opposite of depression?
Yeah.
What's the opposite of anxiety? And I don't know if we even really have words to describe some of those states, but you do get the feeling that some people who you meet, they seem to be living wholeheartedly. They're maybe life to the full is the word, and they're able to enter these really quite special brain states in their nervous system. And so we're kind of looking at those people and how do they structure their thinking? How do they organise their day? What are their wellness habits? And if we focus on positive psychology and really people with really high-end kind of mental well-being, then what do we discover there? So while we're so grateful for all the people who've studied anxiety and depression and done all that work so that we have a good, solid understanding of those states, but then what's the opposite?
Yeah. So it's very much scientific learnings, but you take away a toolbox for living with greater, calm and addressing the innate sort of challenges and approaching them with just that sense that, I can handle this because I know and I can trust.
Yeah.
And in these states of just being they're human states, and then from that we can move through with sort of much more enthusiasm and confidence.
Yeah.
And you see that in the people that really manage those difficulties in life. So we definitely learn from all people, and then we try to pack it into a training day so that we can really all embody those states of well-being.
Yeah.